oh my god. So, why am I in a rush? A girl Jennifer, that's a hacker. Everyone is saying, you know. All right. Oh, so saw this. She's online. She's online. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's online. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god. 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 Okay, I'm gonna put two voice. So yeah. Oh, voice unavailable. It seems like yeah, the voice recordings used by other apps. You can continue to go to setting. Okay. Bye. All right. So I have changed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting screenshot. Right. Is a girl Jennifer. Everyone is saying her. She's the hacker. Oh my god. She is over here. She is online. Whoa. Look. That's her profile. She's in game. Whoa. She's that's her username. She haven't changed it. She's in the 100 player push game. Okay, 100 player push game, right? Okay, so now let's go hit to. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. There she is. Oh my god. I can't believe. Just now I posted a video that she was on. I don't know. Oh my god. That last time I posted, she was online. Then when I second checked it, she was online. Offline, I mean. Now she's freaking online. I mean not online, in game. Oh my god. But look. Okay, I can add friend. I cannot message because. But you can't freaking join her. You can freaking join her. Okay, so whatever you do, just do not join. If you want to join and play with her, click it. Click that join button. Oh my god. But guys, if you guys are scared of a girl Jennifer, I think she's an actor because, okay, the face is kind of scary. But did you see she said content deleted? And do you see a video that there's a boy with him? That's the user. That's the. Oh my god. Look, these are the actors. Jenna bot. Jenna's near you. Jenna will catch you. Is she dating this boy? And this is the person that forced her does that? And, and what about this girl? Maybe that's her cousin. They don't have to be Jenna, a girl Jennifer. Alright, guys, comment down below should I join her. Comments are turned on. I'm kind of scared of the join button. Oh, I have a heart attack. I thought I joined it. If you guys want to join a girl Jennifer, quick. She's online and everyone can join her. So, oh my god. By the way, this is inspired by my friend. This is inspired by my friend. Iris Foxy Gotcha. Please watch and put in Jenna a hacker. Look, she also find her. She also find her online. Oh my god. She also find her. Look, no way. Better like this video, guys. Click that like button of hers and subscribe button. like, bro. Well, I didn't watch the whole video because I want to tell you guys this too. But did she actually join the game? Oh my god. All her followers are online. Really? Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so, let's go back to a girl, Jennifer. Oh my gosh. Wanted to play push. Just now I already did. And then it then showed up. But a girl, Jennifer. Go to her profile. She said, all the, oh, oh, oh my god. Oh, oh my god. I think all of these followers are is in a group Jennifer's. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, what else? I'm so curious about this. Oh my god. 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 Wait, I oh my god. She said, should I join Jenna? Okay, I'm gonna say maybe, maybe not. Oh my god. I said maybe, maybe not. Because I don't think you should join Jenna. But I want to see you join it, Jenna. Jenna. Okay, so there's one thing I want to say to Jenna. If you're real, if you're a real hacker. So Jenna, if you're a real hacker, just one thing to say to you. Jenna, please do not hack anybody. People work hard for their account, even though they don't. Even they do. Some you hack some rich people with Robux. They spend all the saving, all the money, and waste just for a hack from you and beacons and rich people. What the heck? Jenna, please do not hack people. It's really heartbreaking to them. I know how that feels. I've been hacked before. It feels sad, feel lonely, you feel like just started in the game. Jenna, please, I beg you, don't hack anybody. Thank you, Jenna. If you stop hacking people, I love you so much. You're beautiful and pretty the way you are and the way you want. Everyone too. So, goodbye. And if you're watching this channel, goodbye to you. Goodbye. Wait a minute. Hold up. Yes, I'm watching my own video. Bye. Sorry, I forgot to stop recording.